What happens to your body if you eat eggs every day? Whether you boil, poach, or scramble your eggs, they're undoubtedly one of the healthiest and affordable sources of protein around. Eggs were once a controversial choice due to concerns about saturated fats and cholesterol, but researchers have since proven that eggs have several dietary benefits. If we look at the nutritional profile of an egg, it has only 75 calories with 7 grams of high-quality protein. On top of that, one egg contains iron, several minerals, vitamins, and just 5 grams of fat. But should you have them daily? Curious to know what happens to your body when you eat eggs every day? Then check out this gallery. Weight loss. The stellar combo of protein and fat makes eggs more satiating and, in turn, reduces the urge to keep eating. With fewer meals, one can expect weight loss. On top of that, when eaten for breakfast, eggs support your metabolism and they can control your cravings as well. Immunity booster. Egg yolk is said to contain vitamin D, which can help you recover faster from the common cold and flu, for instance. Eggs are also a great immunity booster, as they contain various minerals and vitamins required to keep your body healthy. Boosts brain health. When consumed on a daily basis, eggs can improve cognitive health as they contain all the nutrients required for a great mind. Eggs contain vitamin B12, B6, choline, and folate, which are all nutrients that regulate the mood and memory of a person. Improves good cholesterol. Cholesterol has been giving eggs a bad reputation for years, as many believe they increase cholesterol levels. However, when you consume 1 to 2 eggs in your diet daily, it improves good cholesterol, such as LDL and HDL levels. Makes your skin healthier. Eggs are an excellent source of selenium, with an average serving of 2 eggs meeting 41% of your daily recommended intake. Selenium is important for skin health, so when you eat an egg daily, it nourishes your skin and keeps it healthy as well. Gives you stronger bones. One of the most important functions of vitamin D is to help us maintain healthy bones. It does this by improving calcium absorption in the gut and helping keep our calcium and phosphorus levels in a range that promotes healthy bone growth and bone remodeling. One egg boasts 6% of our daily vitamin D needs, so adding one to your plate each day can provide bone-healthy benefits. Feeling fuller and more energized. While eggs are small, the yolk in particular is a source of important nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline, which are all important for helping our bodies process food into energy. Also, the combination of protein and healthy fat gives eggs some staying power so you feel full for longer. Better heart health. Because high cholesterol can lead to heart disease, many choose to avoid cholesterol-containing foods such as eggs. However, research has shown that most of the cholesterol in our body is made by our liver, and it doesn't come from the cholesterol we eat. Plus, it's been shown that not only does moderate egg consumption not increase a person's risk of developing heart disease, but eggs may even protect against it. Better eye health. Egg yolks contain 2 main carotenoids, those being lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health. These nutrients play an important role in eye development and healthy vision, and research shows they might even help lower the risk of common age-related eye diseases. Reduce stress and anxiety. Lysine is an essential amino acid found in eggs that has some incredible health benefits. According to one study, it appears to reduce long-term anxiety and acute stress. Zinc, which is also found in eggs, has also been linked to lowered anxiety, according to Harvard Health Publishing. Inflammation levels may lower. If you battle with chronic inflammation, eating an anti-inflammatory diet can help. Foods that contain antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids are especially helpful in reducing inflammation. And while eggs aren't generally thought of as an antioxidant-rich food, they do contain antioxidant properties. When eggs are cooked, they lose about half of these properties, but they'll still retain enough to matter. On top of that, eggs are an omega-3 fortified food, making them great for those following an anti-inflammatory diet. Strengthen your nails and hair. Eggs are packed with biotin, a B-complex vitamin that may play a role in the development of keratin. Both hair and nails are made of keratin. Hair thrives on protein, iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, which are all found in eggs. That's right, this power food will have your hair and nails looking excellent in no time. Boosting your mood. If you start eating eggs every day, you might notice an uptick in your mood. That's because there's a direct link between the nutrients in eggs and better mental health. The brain is 60% fat, and research has shown a link between omega-3 intake, like that found in eggs, with improvements in mental health. Side effects of eating eggs daily. While eggs are packed with protein, vitamins and nutrients, they should still be consumed in moderation, ideally 1 to 2 eggs per day. For people with heart disease, limiting yolks and enjoying more egg whites could be a good option. Sources are Eating Well, Medical News Today.